And no crewm assembly nani say see na me ho.
See na wo ho.
Enti na me name 5 boys and na yeah.
Good morning. We are now receiving a lot of updated information about Insensema Koomson Endra Ablekuma of election. And I think now beyond all reasonable doubt, we are beginning to see the true stories. And yes, from Kofana Omuwa grandson. Now, what is coming up? Very, very important. And it say from Kofana Omuwa grandson, about one. Mami Hawa Koomson now on kita pepper spray beer. She was not holding any pepper spray. Whoever came up with that pepper spray excuse say my menona okita pepper spray no say intro there was no such thing as a pepper spray in her hands which she intended to harm anybody with. Now the second thing that is also very, very important for us to take a special note of, and it say per eyewitness report, and the people who were right there on the grounds, no, the guys who came there, came there and they were specifically looking for Hawa Koomson. Just say, omu di kan suma guy bi eba ho. Na sa guy oba ho no, oba ho for Dennis Miracle Abuaji. Oba jina ho now try say or provoke Dennis Miracle Abuaji now or yano. Thinking say ebia Dennis back yes say o ya no ana say onusu kasa back and kabefu mako bully nasa ko bo akobu Dennis Miracles. One woman said there is Miracle smart and one film or any interview none of free, right? It's a yenya it's that guy now buying on no snakes on no shame no who say sana MPP deputy national organizer and anti Hawa Koomson so and the okoye and I go catch the sanko for a war back and say Hawa Koomson wo and guy we so and to buy yana to me who say I dey be am plan it to ho and to buy ya o man che ho kra o nya buy ya na o mo hwehwe friend say guy first one o mo bu no na o bu na wie na afi no say na mo hwe Hawa Koomson ebu no enti enye ade bia obi be ka say Hawa Koomson e provoke o mu buy ya kasa say o mo bebu mama no ebi mu riri people jumped over the wall and all those things. You can't tell me say Bema Kitika how musun ewa to say those people that we can all see in the videos yesterday were jumping wall just for jumping sake. They didn't intend to go and do anything to Hawa Koomson. They went purposely to go ahead the woman. Now, if you also look at how they approached the woman, if the woman had run, they would have killed her. Because they meant to kill her. Some of them were holding knives. Now we have seen from the pictures and the videos available say omubino na omukita sikan, right? So they wanted to just kill the woman.
Yeah, na how you observe elections na Koomson. Nti ye wo hwa e na MPP for Eeii communicator baako your friend no Miracle.
Okay.
And I'm who say channel 1 for Eeii day interview no. Tomo start so mo ganti interview no ene ehu abrante baako a owa kakra na I say nani sabi nani baako nso ehana kakra sheda nye normal sa baako no ye normal nti wo ba no obusa no o start say o create problem and wo didi Miracle na tem ba Miracle na nani no she reflected bi ono no didi Miracle na tem to start say o didi Miracle na tem no oguso o didi Miracle na tem say wo ye Jimmy for we penny yesu nyansa we penny yesu nyansa enti wo yes ade no ene nyina ka abrante na ye wo den ye na ebusa nse na abrante na wudi na tem no wa ye wo den na o so o ye Jimmy for afafo na frɛ obi so o meto aba na ya ye wo ho no ka na wo ye fa obi fa fon se beto aba se nkanya bone o enye ne bone so ahu nti ho no na boy ba ko nso oye take tuntum kese pa ana no nso so gina
ana mo ni gina hono
ni gina hono ana so oh ye ina ya ba na ye beto ye ti enya ntokwa boss o ba yi problem bi ani ha nti mesrew mama mfa problem bi anyere emma na say o call for calm but ono anka so onye security personnel but I like the way ana guy na kra na nti ehu ya ne say abrante na kasa ana on do call ye
abrante na ni ba ko
na minim so ndis ni dia
abrante na ni ba ko problem
one yes na ni ba ko kasa okọ
okay
nti okọ ye na anche less than 2 minutes ene hu say squad aba ti squad by na abrante na all pattern say on ko na hajo mo mfa problem ba no on the first person e be che no
on be attack
no bo na suma no mo ne share car to mo ne share car no mu wie ye no ena o mo yes o mo movie na obi ka say Hawa Koomson way nipa ne ka say Hawa Koomson way na ena o mo sa bind their numbers ena o mo call ebi mu kura huri wall no mo say wall no ye short te bi mu huri wall no ena bi mu so epu call main gate no police for no no ha nti o mu through police for no no in fact o mo antimi police for no antimi am protect prevent o mo doso ena o mo bu gate no make us o mo pia gate
o mo ko assault
Hawa Koomson so Hawa Koomson so me hu say no o mo ba but no ni option bia than so be stand and also be gina I realize say no gina honom with a year like all minding their own business
no kuta pepper spray bi say no kuta na gun bia na di bisa
in fact man hu pepper spray bia na man hu gun bia what you say but them who an say head na butu no any ade nti e ma ga ba kokora tiam ka say oh awa dwane so ahu nti na aye mobo nti na me ra ho say me Ghana ni honestly I didn't see wo ho no say e say CBM because me law abiding citizen bibia police force me di omo ya because mo na mo make sure say mo be ma PƐPPɛR yo
the next Hawa Koomson and the atem wanye
bibia
odu ono obetwa mu hu no
in fact obetwa mu no odu ono kana on police for no di nkomo na police for no medos sa nti oba hokra be me fa say 30-45 minutes ansa na de we AC nti owura mu ekọ ba bi omo to aba no ekọ Dakwa Newman ono no agent or Dakwa Newman so ne former colleague oh parliament ti mi hu so omo di nkita ho ne ade nti enum a ogina ha o di ni nkomo na ba attack no nti de mi si mi hu wo no ansa na brand no so de no kran so
ba na omu tietie obi from no so hu no so
na omu tietie obi from as abrante no of course eno so mi hu ye na me ho eno so no abra na omu tietie no
but thanks be to God said the woman too she is strong. You see people who were around were telling her to run but because of also her resilience she was able to stand firm and what happened. Now the third thing that is also the most important thing that we are beginning to learn as more information is made available about all that transpired is that the guys who came there were not Ablekuma guys, because per eyewitnesses who are familiar with Ablekuma terrain and some of them who are born and bred in Ablekuma, they have not seen them anywhere in the constituency before. So it actually proves the theory that these guys were brought in by some NDC big wings, okay, from other regions. We are even hearing, say there is a possibility, say some of these guys crying, yeah, that is the latest. Some of these guys are not even Ghanaians, right? She says citizens of other nations. More NDC, Etrimudin, any abasem, any abro 70, they have gone to bring them. They are paying them, they are nurturing them just to be using them to cause chaos. But you know what? No matter how long you try to suppress people, one day they will get fed up. And when they get fed up, my friend, you cannot stand it. Thank you. I'll keep updating you.